In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, few drops of water and combine the ingredients well to form a creamy paste. Wash your face thoroughly and then apply a thick layer. Leave until it dries completely and then wash off with cool water. Honey has anti-acne, anti-aging, skin repairing benefits. It is more potent than the popular anti-wrinkle cream when it comes to its composition. Cleansing pores, reducing scars, and removing wrinkles is easy with honey. Having natural moisturizers, anti-aging formulas, antioxidants, nutrients, natural healing, and enzymes, honey is an excellent natural ingredient for enhancing skin's beauty. The vitamin present in corn flour fade brown spots, sunspots and dark patches. The minerals and amino acids keep the skin healthy. The oil-absorbing properties of corn flour is great for oily skin and acne-prone skin. The cleansing properties of corn flour remove surface dirt and impurities and imparts a clear, clean and a glowing complexion. The presence of vitamin E prevents skin from UV damage and reduces skin redness. Orange juice is the best source of vitamin C, which is good for health and skin care as well. Orange have a high content of citric acid which aids in skin exfoliation and helps to dry out acne, improving the overall look of your skin. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video then click the like button and share it with your friends.